Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make pie crust. Yes guys, pie crust. Made from scratch, quick, simple, and easy. No fail, flaky, buttery pie crust. You can use this pie crust for any pie that you'd like to make or for any dish that calls for a pie crust. And guys, if you want to learn how to cook, make easy, simple meals made from scratch, you saw the title for today, you saw the thumbnail. Go ahead, subscribe right now, turn on the bell because I have a whole channel full of stuff that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so let me start by saying the complete recipe will be in the description. We are going to make 2 pie crusts, so if you want to make a top and a bottom, this is the exact recipe for that. We will need all-purpose flour. You will need some ice water. I actually have ice in the water sitting, so it'll be ice cold. You're going to need a half a tablespoon of sugar, and you're going to need 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup of butter. We're going to dice this up. It needs to be really cold. Mine has been in the freezer for a little bit. And for exact measurements, guys, I actually have 2 measuring cups. One is a cup and one is a half a cup. This is for our flour. My butter that I am using today is salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, but if you use unsalted butter, you want to make sure that you add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I won't be adding the salt because this is salted butter. Okay guys, so we're going to go right in, starting with our flour. You need 2.5 cups. We are doing this in the food processor. And guys, I have a link in the description. This is the exact food processor that I use for everything. So let's get right on in here. And 2 cups. Now we're going to use our half a cup. Add your sugar in. Now we're just going to pulse it a couple of times to make sure that the sugar is incorporated with the flour. Okay, let's pulse. You want to cut it into cubes. Okay, yeah, see how that is mashing together? That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay, so let's set the top aside there. Now, guys, we want to put a little flour down on our surface. Make sure you have a nice clean surface. And you want to dump it out. Dump it out, guys. We are not going to knead. You do not want to knead it at this point. You just want to dump it out here, and you're going to push it together and form 2 discs. Typical pie crust, you want to divide it into 2 equal parts and flatten them into discs. I am actually making this particular pie crust for a particular recipe. So I need a little bit more for my bottom crust than I will my top crust. So therefore, I'm doing mine a little bit uneven, but at any rate, you still push it together. No kneading, and flatten it out until make a disc. Now from here, you want to put it in plastic wrap. You want to wrap it securely in plastic wrap, each disc separately. Okay guys, we have our pie crust. They are in disc. This pie crust will be for anything you need, anything at all. We are done. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for now. And that's all there is to it, guys. Simple, quick, easy, made from scratch. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell so you'll be notified next time I upload any dish at all. And again, give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me some comments and share me out. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out in my kitchen with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Don't forget to put them in the refrigerator. Make sure they stay flat.